I'm in a cool blues chill out mode at the moment, so we're going to do some cool blues. Okay, so we're going to learn a little blues riff, so if you like the sound of that, stick around, because we'll give you some really cool piano work, and you'll love it, I promise you. Okay, let's have a listen. This is what I'm going to teach you in a few moments. There we go. So if you like the sound of that, I'll see you in a mini blues. Like it. So the rhythm on the left hand, okay, is a nice little swung quaver. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. Okay, like that. And play it with the drum beat. 2, 3, 4. That kind of idea with the metronome. 2, 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 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 4. And we'll go up to F. Be quiet. Always carries on when I'm stopping drums. Okay, so yeah, we'll go up to F, we'll go up to G. So it's 4-bar blues in C. So let's break down the opening riff for the right hand. Okay, here we go. Okay. So practice 2 parts. I would do this. So it's C, F, A. Look. So C, F, and A, C, and then the second little bit is sliding off from E flat and F sharp. Okay. Okay. Now with the bass line, notice the accent. Ba da 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 da. Okay. Just like that. So let's put it in with the drums. I'll do it 4 times, and then we're going to move to the F, and I'll show you that. Okay, so if you're not sure, it's 60 BPM. Okay, so if you've got a watch, you can click it on every second. Okay, digital watches, not a clue. Okay, so here we go then. 2, 3. Third time. So in F, you're probably better off doing this one. It's a little bit different. You see that? So you get a B flat chord, which is F, B flat, and D, and we're going to go just like the first one. Okay, and then slide from the okay, from minor third of A flat on your F. Keep your 5th down if you want. Again, variations. Okay, with the bass line just on F. Okay, so in the G, we're actually playing a C second version. Okay, and then we're going to go from a B flat and C sharp straight down. That kind of motion. Try and keep your hand quite above the keys. Okay. So it might be an idea to practice them 2 together. Okay. Now sometimes you might not play the C sharp, you might just play the C. Straight down to the B. You can also roll it with the second hand. If you don't like the sliding off, just roll with the second hand watch. See that? Alright, so do it that way. Okay. again on that one. So it's really nice thing to do. If you're playing in a band, or if some friends of yours, you just kind of have a bit of a jam, and you say, let's do a blues, you can, yeah, I can do a blues. Okay, the bass player will take a lot of the kind of funky blues stuff. You just stay on your roots and just use it as a basis to start with. Let's just see what it sounds like in a full 12-bar blues. Jam along, I'll play it a few times, I might get a bit excited on the right hand as well. Let's see how it goes. Okay, low, so here we go. G7. So I got a bit carried away with that insight. So the idea is make it your own. Before I go, have a look at this little turnaround. So basically it goes up. Got C on your right hand, first inversion. Like a C7 chord there with the E bass. Could do an F second inversion. Or you could go like that if you wanted. Do an F sharp. Could do a D7 chord on the right hand. And then do a G7. Okay. Like a B flat 7 with a C sharp bass. That type of thing. Have a go. Play about with it. Let me know in the comments if you've got some more kind of little videos like this, and I'll break apart some tracks and add some variation into it and make it really awesome for you, because without you, I'm not here. Well, I am, but I won't be doing this. Until next time, keep loving your blues. Okay, here we go.